In the Magsaysay world, our decisions and actions are rooted in our values. These values guide us on how we treat one another, deal with our customers, serve our communities, and ensure the sustainability of our planet.
I am driven, motivated, and do the right thing at the right time. I believe in working towards excellence in all my actions and activities. Excellence is a Magsaysay way, and I am Magsaysay.
I am creative, open-minded, and I'm an out-of-the-box thinker. I provide ideas and sustainable solutions, and I'm not afraid to speak my mind. Innovation is the Magsaysay way, and I am Magsaysay.
I am dedicated, passionate, and full of energy for everything that I do. In my work and in my life, my enthusiasm cannot be contained. Enthusiasm is the Magsaysay way, and I am Magsaysay.
I am honest and fair, and no matter what comes my way, I will choose the path that is responsible and right. I am not willing to compromise my integrity. Integrity is the Magsaysay way, and I am Magsaysay.
I am responsible for my actions and decisions. I take ownership of challenges, deliveries, and results. Together with my colleagues, we deliver on our commitments to exceed expectations and contribute toward the common goal of the company. Accountability is the Magsaysay way, and I am Magsaysay.
I care. I care for my colleagues, customers, and partners. I care for my company, community, and the world that I live in. Caring is the Magsaysay way, and I am Magsaysay.